Hi everyone. In this video I want to show you a fun activity you can do with water. It's called walking water. It uses capillary action to make water walk up against gravity. Let me show you. Okay, here we have 5 plastic cups and we're going to fill cup 1, 3, and 5 with water. And we want to get them quite full. If we want to add food coloring, red, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 drops. Yellow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And blue, 1, 2, 3, 5. Then we want to take a paper towel and fold it in half and there. And we want 1, 2, 3, 4 paper towels. You can see the capillary action starts very quickly. You can see the red is beginning to drip in the bottom, the yellow, and the blue is put in last. There goes a drop. So we'll come back and check this in a couple hours. Overnight, it'll look really cool. Capillary action. While we're waiting, let me show you another fun capillary action activity. We'll fill 3 more glasses. You could just do 1. And we'll put our colors in again. And this time we'll use celery to show the capillary action. I'll cut a new fresh, and we'll just put a piece of celery in. And you can see capillary action in the celery leaves in time. It takes time to go up into the leaves. Like plants. Plants get their water through the roots, capillary action up the roots to the leaves against gravity. We'll come back and check. Well, let's check it out. It's been 1 hour. Okay, here we have about 24 hours later. The capillary action turned the leaves red, yellow, and you can see some blue. Capillary action. Give it a try. Have fun. Cleanup can be fun too. Purple. Here's another fun activity. Let me pour some glue in this dish, and I'm going to try a cup too. And then I'm going to put a drop of food coloring on the glue. One and one. And I'll try a different color. And I'm going to let this dry overnight. I'm not exactly sure how long it's going to take. And now I have some dish soap that I've put in this cup, and I'm going to put a drop of the dish soap onto each. And the reaction is cool. And we'll see what happens after it dries. What it'll look like. They're not dry yet. Almost. When they dry, I'll take them out and hang them in the window. Give it a try. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.